To reset the caption style back to the default on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap caption preference. Next, tap caption size and style. Tap caption style and then select default to reset the caption style back to the default. By doing this, if you have set to enable the caption, the setting will be applied to live caption and other apps that support the caption preferences. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.